How to email family with Magic School AI. So in order to do that, just click on this email family right here. If you can't find it, just click on this search right here and search in here for email family. So you can find it on your Magic Tools on the Magic School AI. Click on this email family right here, and then you should be prompted with this one. So for example, let's put in here our author name, which is myself, and also put in here the content to include the letter of the family. So I have in here your son Matthew is filling some subjects and may need to repeat the year level. Click on this generate right here. And then once you have done that, this will generate an email that is actually specifically for family. It needs to be heartfelt. So you can see this right here. I hope this message finds you well. I really need your support. Thank you for your attention and warm regards. Just edit out your title as well as your school name right here. You can also click on this more right here, and you can also save this resource as well. So if you actually want to edit the prompt, you can head over and then do some things with this case. So for example, if you want to translate it, so for example, say something like translate that to Korean. You can say something like that, and then this will translate your email to the family. If the family is actually Korean, you can send them this email right here, and then they should be able to read it on their local language. So that's how you email family with Magic School AI. Hope we helped.